Hi, I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. Today I'm going to show you how to find free music lyrics on the internet. There's a lot of different websites out there on the internet that have music lyrics available. I did find one that is in particular very easy to use and has a huge selection of lyrics available for different music. So that website is called azlyrics.com. And you'll notice this search bar right here in the purple. It says enter artist, album, song to search for lyrics. I'm just going to type in this artist, hit search, and as you can see it says it right here. I'm just going to hit that one. Usually the top one will have all the music from that artist, so I'm going to hit this song, and those are the complete lyrics for that song, which has actually been pretty hard for me to find. But once I found this website, I was able to find the lyrics for this song without any problem. I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. Check out our website at myspace.com/cellphonebroker.